Hello and welcome to this Power BI session. We are continuing our Power BI tutorial series, and in this tutorial we are going to continue our discussion on week. Last video we have seen how we have created week, day, week of year, we start week, end of week, week, year and week rank. Now these other than this week, year and week, year and week of year, most of the things will remain same even in case of calendar year, because rank will just shift it out right now in our case, because we have started our date from April. You can see it's actually already started with 1, so that's not going to make a difference. But yes, financial year week 1 2 3 4, that's going to make a difference, and that's where we are going to create a financial week number. Now to create that, we have to use earlier function. Now how we are going to use, we are going to have a MAXX function, which is we are going to find out the minimum week start date in that years, and we say okay, in the date table, we need first of all filter in this. So MAXX filter in the date table, FI year should be equal to earlier FI year, and this is earlier FI year. Okay, and there we are going to take start, we need to close our filter, and then we go to take start of the week, and this is going to give us the week start. Okay, there's some problem out here, we have to, okay, so this is going to give start of the week. So if I simply press enter, this is going to give me the first date which you are seeing here, and then if I further scroll down, is going to give me same dates in the continuous manner. Okay, so whatever you're going to see there, it's going to give me start of the week for that year. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to take a date diff again, just like we have taken previously. So date diff from where? From the date, definitely. Now this is the smaller date, so we have kept it first, and then we are going to take date, and then we are going to call it day. There's nothing like week here. Now even if there, we are going to create our custom one, because we have started with Monday, and then we say okay, quotient, and what is going to do 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we know that we are going to take quotient from 7 and then going to add 1. So this should give us 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see. Okay, so it's going to go ahead with the rank, and we'll continue till 52, because that's where we have to see the difference. Now 52 and 53 has started, and now look at this. This is the date which is 1st April. Now this is the date which is 1st April. That's where this is going to 53 is going to break into 1 and 2, and then this is only going to have 6. Okay, and then because this is started on 31st is the date when this week actually has started. 30th this is ending, 31st this has started basically, and this basically is now only giving us 1 for 6 days, and that's what we wanted. And similarly continually keep on scrolling, and then again next year it is going to shift like that. So next year you got 53 and then again 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 days. Okay, so there is a split. That's what we wanted. Now we got week, FI week, and then we know week year is pretty simple. Now this is, we need a financial year. So financial year we already created, so we call it FI week year, and in FI week year what we need is FI year. So we need FI year. We can start multiplying by 100, and then we can say okay plus, and then now we have FI week also. So now we say FI week, and we say enter, and then we got this number. So now we are able to even create the financial year weeks. Okay, and this is different from your calendar year week, because we have actually said it here we have used the CY, and here we have used FY, so it's going to be different. But yes, this is correct number. So this is what we needed for financial year shift of the weeks. So we created week, FI week and FI week with the year. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.